Welcome to Myrtle Beach, North Carolina. Ano ba? Bakit ako North Carolina? Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Here we go.
You gotta write this down.
I know.
Wait.
Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. There we go. Asan ka?
Ready. Ano ba? Welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Yes. Let's chill. Hey, welcome
to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina.
Where are you?
Ang bagal mo naman.
Siyempre nakakita mo. Natapa na ako talaga. Nabertigo na talaga. Nabertigo na ako. Hi guys! I'm here in Myrtle Beach right now, spending my Labor Day weekend. It's a 3-day weekend for me, guys. So, I'm with Shane, my friend, and she was so kind enough to accommodate me here. She's actually working in this hotel behind me. Yeah. Crystal Cove, right? Yeah, and there she is. Seacrest, I mean. What the hell is Crystal Cove? All right. And I would like you to see the beach right now. And here it is. Welcome, welcome, welcome to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. You like it here? Yeah. Hi guys, I'm here in Myrtle Beach right now, spending my Labor Day weekend with my friend Shane. She's over there. Alright? And she's so kind enough to accommodate me here because she's working here in this hotel behind me. Ayan na naman. Crystal Cove.
Secret?
Seacrest! Oh my God. Yeah, dementia na talaga. And this is
Secret.
Hey, welcome to Myrtle Beach at night.
Okay, where are we at?
We're at Myrtle Beach,
Yeah.
South Carolina. Crest! Seacrest! Oh my God. Guys, we're here at Myrtle Beach at Seacrest Hotel. Yeah, courtesy of my friend, good friend Shane. Here. Myrtle Beach at night, guys. Gabi na. There's so many lights. So many lights in the ocean.
So many lights in the ocean. Ano yung mga...
Abyss. Abyss ba to? Yeah. She was kind enough to let me in on.
all of the above.
Pili na lang kayo and send to 2366.
Yeah, let them choose. Select them lang.
Saka na. Where are you na? Hi! Anong how? Ano? Dadasal lang?
Okay, picture. Wait.
Naman.
Okay. Hoy! Ang stomach mo.
Kailangan naka-stomach in.
Stomach in, chest out.
Guys,
Astro Boy.
Astro Boy is in the house.
Goku in the house.
Ito talaga. Ayaw ka na gano'n. Ayaw ka na gano'n. Astro Boy.
Astro Boy.
Sorry po. Welcome po sa alawakin ako dito.
Parang yung hair mo is like Street
Hindi naman.
Fighter.
Ito po yung send ko na ba? Okay na ba?
You look like anime.
Hi. Ay, sorry. Sorry. Yun na pag ganda. Singer. Welcome guys, we're here in Myrtle Beach.
Oh wait, my cup. Wait. Hi vlog, welcome to my guys.
Welcome to my guys, Gab. Welcome to the vlog of
The guys.
the guys. Welcome to guys to the vlog, guys. Hi, guys.
Oh my God.
Nandito ako ngayon sa Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Kasunukuyang nag-iinarte
Na-emote.
para di halatang bored sa buhay. And I'm with my friend.
Hi! 2015 gang!
She's actually the owner of this
Oy, wow! Wow! Hindi ah.
this hotel right there.
No, I just worked there.
Seacrest.
Secrets! Who? Uy!
Mula sa Pinas, I know. Vlog naman tayo, parang hindi na puro kanta at kaumay din naman. Pasyal ko kayo guys dito sa South Carolina.
You keep saying NC.
I know,
It's
right?
SC.
Yes, see, this is SC.
Myrtle Beach.
Myrtle Beach in South Carolina.
In North Carolina.
No?
Putang ina. Puta.
Hawa-hawa na. Hawa-hawa.
Dementia.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alzheimer.
Going around, you guys will see all those beaches.
Bitches.
Beachgoers.
What about bitches?
Beachgoers. Patawa ng tawag. Mochipa. Machipa. Ganina. Shout out now.
Shout out. Literal.
One time nandito sila, nandiyan ako nakaakyat. Ang tahimik talaga. Ang tahimik talaga. Bigla akong sumigaw. Hoy! Ano na? Sabi na. Ano mo, Ero, hindi ko na mapitawan yung daladala ko. Bigla na lang sumigaw. Ang tahimik nyo. Grabe. Grabe.
Dapat dun tayo sa may ano, ang hirap maglakad dito. It's hard to walk dito.
It's hard to walk. Wow.
Wow,
Okay, guys.
English.
It's hard to walk because
It's hard.
it's hard. Shut up.
Oh my god.
It's hard to walk because it's harder. So shut up and drive.
Okay.
Ha?
Ay,
Mga palita. Pinagagawa yun sa buhay. Charot. Lasing lang. Lasing.
tangina, alcohol tong nandito.
Alcohol ba yan? Parang
Alcohol.
ako nalasing.
You didn't drink.
No, I don't. I have my medical test.
Debical? Ha?
Ano?
Diabetes?
Sabi ka.
Debical?
You know what, Hart? You're so debical. Watching it. Walking along the beach
There you go, it's easier.
with the beaches.
With the beach.
Hi, Faye!
Oh, they're giving you ano?
Hi, Faye!
They're giving you like, what is that? Like stickers or something?
Wala tayo ngayong kantahan for today's video. Mag-inarte muna tayo dito, Faye. Sorry, mga naka-beach. Ay, ano pa?
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Ano nangyari sa si Goku. Goku? Kamag-anak ka ba ni Goku?
It's Goku!
Kumaka ka ba ni Goku?
Dragon Ball!
Dati ka bang si Goku?
Hami Hami wave. Madam, your hair, yeah, it's your hair. It's perfect. It's perfect. Okay ba?
Kumakata ba sa likod? Nakikita naman ng panood. Nakikita naman panood siya. Ang ganda dito.
Oh, sunset. Sunset pictures.
May sunset.
Teka lang ha, put my alcohol down.
There we go. Okay, panalo to. Illuminate. Saan tayo, guys?
I don't know, madam. Charot! Ba? Mamili.
Pinapatong mo dyan, magkakaroon yan ng ano.
Ganyan, nakapatong sa chinelas.
Okay, game.
Paano ba?
Basta, parang nakaganon ko yun.
Like this?
Yeah. Pwede. Ganyan na.
The sand is sanding. Oh, like, okay.
Tara, pakita yung... Yan. Ganyan. Kasi arte. One. Para may ano tayo kapag mga gloves. Ano ba? Ito ah. Nakita. Uber. Ay, books ko. Ito dyan. Para pa-picture mo lang ako. 1, 2.
Paano?
Yeah, pwede na. Pwede. 1. Para may ari ng hotel mo.
Galing. Parang malapit siya. O, ano ba yun?
Hindi, okay lang yan. Parang lalabo yung ano. Okay na ba?
Oo.
Taas mo ng konti, mababa yung
Hindi to
camera.
full body. Hanggang dun lang.
Oh, kahit dito lang.
Ah.
Taas mo kaya ng konti, yung camera.
Ano, sir, ito?
Yan.
English! English only.
She was so kind enough. She was good enough. Chururot ka. Ikaw magsikat eh. Mas magaling ka sa akin sa ganyan.
Ha?
Tumagay
Hindi
niya
mo,
ang
teka, hindi ko naman alam pa rin sabihin ko.
Tignan mo, tanginan nyo lahat.
Mga talipandas kayo.
Mga talipandas, mga hayop.
Tagalog ba lahat sila o ano? Mga English naman? English Tagalog.
Are you single?
Who's single?
Si Romantico. Romantico, I have a question for you, Romantico.
Because I'm not. Well, maybe. Well, I
Romantico,
don't know.
are you single?
But I think, I don't know.
Hindi sumasagot. Bottom
Oh, single.
Bottom to bottom.
He's single. Are you single?
Hmm?
Are you single?
Pogi ka ba, Mr. Romantico?
Oh, no comment. No comment.
Are you willing to move to an... Ano to? An invitation for connecting. Kilua. Sino yun?
Baka yung mga like restaurant right there. I don't know.
Bakit kayo makikoconnect sa... Phone ng iPhone pwede. Sure. Tapos bayaran mo na lang. Doble.
I don't even know where we're going. And I gotta go straight. Oh, that's ano, Thai restaurant right there.
Ah, is it?
Yeah.
Beshi, bilhan mo ko ng iPhone. Sige ba? Tapos bayaran mo na lang. Padala mo, isell mo sa akin.
Teka muna, you didn't answer. Are you single?
Huh?
Huh?
This is a tsunami. So... Huh? Guys, this is how the street of Myrtle Beach looks like.
We're going to the
It
Broadway.
looks like a street. Parang wala manonood. Chipichi. This looks like a street, guys. Dito mo niya makikita yung ibang hotels right there, over there.
Right here, over there, right there,
Right
over
there, over there, right here,
Here
over.
and everywhere.
Pili na lang kayo and send to 2366. Wag iba ang are you Hoy! Wag kang makinig sa usapan ng mga matatanda. I would say it's so may kalabas yun dito.
Uh-huh.
Change topic.
Change topic.
So may kalabas seafood.
Seafood?
Parang nakakain na ako dito before.
No, it's not that one. We went to the ano yun, 2021, di ba?
Wow, yeah.
Yeah,
I
we went to
know.
it's a different one. It's not that one.
I think change topic talaga. Dinadodge yung buto.
Changed. Oh, now they wanna know?
Dahil kabili ka sa mga chismosa, so di ba naman.
Yes, ask him. Because I wanna know.
I wanna know. Ayokong sagutin kasi may marami mga reaction.
Oh, controversial.
Single ka ba? Medyo na parang mukha. Ganun ang mga sagot mo na lang.
Oh my
Medyo na parang kuan. Ganito. Ito ang tawag call center agent, bagong call center.
Ano to?
Filipino. Sabi niya, sir, this is, I think is, okay, ganito. Ay, sorry. Yeah, I'm 50% single, 50% confused. I'm 50% single, 50% confused. Yun. That's it. I answered your question very well and precise and
So,
concise.
and world peace. Thank
And
you.
world peace. Ay, nako Lord. Maganda rin sa Outer Banks, no? Yung kila Apple.
Yes, can we go there?
Sure, gusto ko din yan eh.
I wanna go to Outer Banks.
Outer
I went there
Banks.
before one time, pero that's like a long
Nakipagtalo pa ako sa kanya. Ang napuntahan ko pala was
Huh? Extra Majestic Spa, extra service.
Majestic Spa with extra service.
Boys and girls.
Hindi po, kinakati po ako pag babae.
Ayun,
Nagkakaroon po ako ng allergy at binubutol po ako ng matindi. So,
allergy sa girls?
yung mga haplos po nila, ako po ay nagkakaroon ng mga tigdas.
And then in English, translate that in English.
I have allergic reaction if you have pussy. Sorry. Diba, napakalapit lang naman ito. Hindi pwedeng.
Okay na. Picture lang.
Video talaga yan eh.
It's a picture nga. Oh, like that.
Ha? Si Clark.
Oh, that's right. It's live.
Bye-bye guys.
Bye, guys!
Bye. I love you all. Kain kayo mabuti. Huwag kayo magpapapayat. Makakwenta-kwentang mga advice.
Kakaloka. That's so much fun.
It is
Ganyan
fun.
yung mga ano mo.
Yeah,
I don't
pag wala
have
akong magawa,
those.
pagsimula ng ng circle of friends. True. That's the problem. Road. Why are you road?
Sino yung si Jenny sa 90 days? Ano yun? 90 days fiancé? You road.
You're road. Am I?
You're so road.
Am I road? I'm so sorry. Sararot.
Walang
Sarap.
parking!
Ay, gusto ko din mamaya mag-LS.
Anong LS?
Yan, live stream.
Oh, live stream. Parang,
Oh,
is that drugs?
Pwede mo mag-LS sa ano, diba? Sa, so much dick. Charot. Wala pa lang ganyan. Kaya natatawa yung mga yun sa akin. Napaka wala daw. Sabi ko, doktor ka, wala ka filter sa katawan. Ayun, may alis.
May ano. Yay! Winner! Let's see if I can still back it up.
Kaya mo pa. Ayun yung malaki oh.
Dito na lang.
Ay,
Perfect!
talented.
Talented!
Talented si Madam.
Mm.
Ay, oh. Iba. Talented.
Oh, di ba? Let's go.
Saan tayo, te?
Gusto mo mag-hard rock?
Sure, may pagkaiba doon?
Cheese fries.
Ano pa?
Cheese fries.
Di ba iinom ka lang? Ano mang gusto?
I
ano
don't
mang goal
drink
mo?
anymore.
Ako din eh. So ano pa yung pwedeng kainin? Parang puro inuman lang.
Hindi, there's plenty. You'll see.
There's plenty.
Plenty of alcohol.
Because my mom, charot.
My mom,
My mom.
my parents are strict.
My mom wants me to get drunk so I can be late.
Lady yun?
Kasi I'm too old na daw. Sabi niya, kung may ranking ka rin minsan. Wag puro
Puro kaaral?
Wag kang papuro pa princess. Masyado kang pa Disney princess. Kung may ranking ka rin minsan. Myrtle Beach sila. Ay, mag-live pala ako. Teka, wait. Magre-record kami. Babalik ako, bro.
I am so tired. Wow Burgers. Because Hard Rock is like an hour away. But I like Wow Burgers. I don't know where's the person I'm with. He's outside taking video.
Chocolate. Kasi ano sa'yo? Hindi
Teka lang, ayan siya.
Sabi ko. Kasi nga nagburakay siya.
Sorry about that again.
Ano ba yun? Nagsolo. Siya pa yung nahiya na sabi niya, ano daw?
So, you know, it's okay. I went to the men's bathroom by accident. I was like, why does it look like this? And then I turned around and he was coming in and he was like, wait, is this the women's bathroom? I said, no, 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 I was looking at my phone, I'm sorry. And then I ran out. We're here at
the beach. Broadway at the beach with the beaches. With one of them.